evening and welcome. You're watching Ask Profit on NDTV Profit and I'm Nupur Talwar Suri. Alright, and joining me in the studio of course is Himakshi, who will be taking us through all the calls that we are getting, and just at the outset of the show we want all our viewers to start calling in. We are taking your calls live. We also have Narendra Solanki, the head of Fundamental Research Services, Anand Rathi Shares and Stockbrokers, joining us on the fundamentals, and Dr. Ravi Singh, the SVP Retail Research, Religare Broking, joining us on the technical. Good evening, gentlemen. Thank you very much for being with us on Ask Profit.
Good evening.
And let's just hit the ground running, in fact, and we're going to take up a query that we're getting from Anil from Chandigarh now. He's asking about Hindalco. He says he's got about 115 shares at 668 rupees a piece, and he is a short-term investor. So he's looking for some short-term guidance on this one. Ravi, would you like to take this one?
Yeah, right now it's trading at 630, and there is a very strong support at this level, and most of the moving averages are consolidating at this point of time. So I can say that you just buy at take some averages. So that this point of time, and you can increase your position also. Put the stop loss of 595 for the target of 720 in near term. So just hold. If you add, that is good for you.
So hold on Hindalco. Also, we're going to take up another query from Ricky, who's written to us from Assam. Jamna Auto Industries.
I'm calling from Andhra Pradesh.
All right, and give us a brief sense of what you want to know, and also, I think it's NTPC Green. You have some shares. Did you buy it with something in mind, and when did you buy it?
Yes, I have 109 shares of NDTV energy at average price of 340.34 rupees. And I'm planning for a long term, and I want to consolidate about 5,000 shares.
Okay. So let's take that question to Ravi first, and then we'll get a view from Narendra as well. So Ravi, he's looking for a long-term perspective, but give us a bit of an idea about how the share has been doing on the charts so far.
Yeah, very recent listing, and made a high of 140 pound, and now is in profit booking zone. So profit booking may be heavy. You may see some more, and around 115 to 110 levels. But my point is that this point of time, yeah, stock is looking very good. So I think you should wait for some time, and you can average at around 110 to 105 levels. Maybe more pain, but longer term prospects, definitely you earn more return. So more pain, more return, more gain. So longer term prospects, 3 to 6 months or 8 months, you should hold this position.
All right. We're also getting one more caller from Bengaluru. Hi, Raghuveer. A short-term view on it. Then, Ravi, if you could just help me figure out what the investor should be doing next.
First, I want to congratulate, because you have entered in the right level and you get more return at this point of time. Yearly return is 246%, and 3-month return is 45%. Sir, ज़्यादा लालच मत करिए, थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए, और 50% शेयर पे, यानी 2000 शेयर है, 1000 शेयर पे प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए. एंड इफ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट अगेन, यू जस्ट वेट फॉर द सम करेक्शन. 1200 level is good and entry level that point of time, and again target would be the 1650 to 1800 in longer term prospects. So if you want to hold, just hold it, put the stop loss of 1200 rupees, and longer term, that means at least 1 year, at least 1.5 years, you may get more return. But my suggestion is, my point of time, my strategy is that book 50% profit at current level.
So he's telling you not to get greedy at this point in time. Before I take another caller, just to remind our viewers that we are continuously taking your calls live on Ask Profit. So feel free to call us on the numbers that are flashing on your screens. And also we will be taking up WhatsApp queries, as many as we can. Let's go across to Vishwas now, calling in from Bengaluru. Hi Vishwas, how are you doing this evening?
Hi ma'am, my name is Vishwas.
Yes, tell us more.
KPI Green energy 530 stars. hold or sell a short or one month period, madam.
Okay, so you're looking for a short-term view. Let's go to Ravi on this one. Ravi, he's got KPI Green Energy, 530 shares at 900 rupees a piece. Looking for a short-term view of about a month is what I understood he said.
So Vishwasji, be confident because your name is Vishwas, so confident really, and your stock is too good, and you can see again level of 1050 level. So do one thing, you just buy at about 780 or 770 levels, do some average and collect some more stocks, so your average will down and you can achieve the level target of 1050 to 1080 levels. So please hold this your position and do some average.
All right, we're also getting one more WhatsApp query.
Hello, madam.
Yes, please go ahead with your question.
I am holding LIC, madam, 100 shares, bought at 940 rupees.
Okay.
What are the prospects, long term, short term?
And when did you buy these?
1 year back, madam.
1 year ago. Okay.
Yes.
Going across first to Ravi. Ravi, he's looking for a short-term view. LIC is a stock that he's holding for the past year. 940 rupees is the price that he bought it at a piece.
Ma'am, everything is good in LIC, but I'm not satisfied. Why? Because this stock don't give any much return if you talk about a return. So I'll suggest LIC is a name, brand, everything is good, but do one thing, you are clever, so do switch your position or LIC Housing Finance, because that stock is looking very attractive at this point of time. So this is the time where you can switch your stock, exit LIC and buy LIC Housing Finance. They have a potential to give about to be a 20-25% return on year basis. So stock looking attractive at this point of time. So do these changes and wait for some time for the return.
Okay, quickly, Narendra, is that a view you hold as well?
Good evening.
Good evening. Please go ahead with your query.
Yeah, I have a CDSL share, 100 shares at 1850 rupees.
All right.
And I'd like to know its downward trajectory, because recently we see a lot of consolidation and profit booking lately.
Right.
And obviously it has rallied more than 30% within a month, which makes it little overvalued. And I'm just planning for a long term. So just like to know what is the immediate downturn we would like to see. I have seen 1775 rupees as low today, and I'd like to know how far will it go so that I can accumulate more.
All right. So Ravi, I'll come directly to you on this. What is your take on CDSL? How is it looking on the charts?
Yeah, first I want to congratulate, sir. You have done a great job because you are perfectly find out the level. So I'll just help out. If you buy at 1700 or 1680 levels, that there is a very strong support at this that level. So you may definitely increase your position at that level, and for the target of 2020 to 2021-20. So upside is more, downside is limited. Put your money at 1700 to 1680 levels again.
Okay. So, Narendra.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
I am Venkesh from Bangalore. I am holding 1000 Karur Vysya Bank shares purchased at 230 rupees. So, what is your advice whether we can hold for long term or short term?
Just give us some more specifics. When did you buy this, and how long do you intend to hold it for?
No, I purchased about 1 month before. I don't have any idea of holding it, but I want your advice whether we can hold it or sell it off.
Okay. Ravi, would you like to take this one? He's holding 1000 shares at 230 rupees a piece.
My suggestion is that you just take an exit from this stock and add on Bank of Baroda. That stock have a more potential and right now is trading about to the support level. So that stock have a more potential to achieve 280 or 270 levels. So just take exit and buy another stock.
Okay, we're also getting one more caller from Gwalior now. Hi, Jai Kishan.
मैडम नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग।
नमस्ते, कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं आपकी, बताइए।
हाँ मैडम, मेरे पास ना अडानी विल्मर के 1000 शेयर है 350 के रेट पे।
ओके, तो ये आपने कब खरीदे?
अभी 2-3 महीने हो गए हैं।
अच्छा, तो आपको क्या जानना है?
मेरे को बस यह जानना है कि इसको होल्ड करूं कि सेल करूं इसको।
तो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए आप सोच रहे हैं या लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए रखना चाहते हैं?
दोनों, मैं शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए भी और लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए भी सोच सकता हूँ।
ऑलराइट, सो Ravi, I'd like to take the first a short-term view on Adani Wilmar. What is your take on it?
Ma'am, I can say that सिंपल जय किशन जी, देखिए एक चीज का ध्यान रखिए, अदानी के स्टॉक्स में खास तौर से अदानी विल्मर, अदानी पावर, अदानी पोर्ट, इन सभी स्टॉक्स में थोड़ी वोलेटिलिटी होती है, थोड़ा सा डाउन साइड आपको देखने को मिलता है, बट घबराइए नहीं, थोड़ा सा पोटेंशियल लेकर बैठिए, आपको अच्छे रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे। इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लेवल्स, तो आपको अदानी विल्मर जिस समय आपके पास है बिल्कुल होल्ड करके रखिए, 380 और 400 के लेवल्स आपको जल्द देखने को मिलेंगे। एंड एवरी इन्वेस्टर आई कैन से दैट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वोलेटिलिटी इन अदानी स्टॉक्स, अदानी विल्मर एंड अदानी पावर, बट इफ यू सिट टाइट और यू हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस टू टेक अ मोर पेन, सो मोर गेन, दैट देयर इज अ सिंपल स्ट्रेटजी इन अदानी स्टॉक्स।
All right. So Narendra, what? And with this, we have one more query coming in from Sanjeev. Hi, Sanjeev.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So tell us about your query.
मैडम, मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ये जोमेटो मैंने खरीदे हुए हैं आज से 2 साल पहले 81 के रेट पे।
ठीक है।
तो अभी मैं काफी टाइम से ये इसमें कुछ मूवमेंट ही नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, तो मैं इसको क्या होल्ड करूं या इसको बेचूं? मुझे इसके बारे में एडवाइस चाहिए।
Okay, so Ravi, I'll come to you on this. There has been a tussle between Zomato and Swiggy shares. Lots of queries. We keep on encountering queries regarding these two stocks particularly. So what is your take on it? How is Zomato's performance looking on the charts?
सर, फर्स्ट आपको यही बताना चाहूंगा कि पहले जोमेटो में प्रॉफिट बुक करिए, फैमिली के साथ न्यू ईयर पे होटल पे जाइए घूमने के लिए, एंजॉय करिए, इतना पैसा आपको मिला है, दोबारा कुछ चेंज होने वाला नहीं है। 300 एक अपर साइड एक रेजिस्टेंस है, अगेन आपको ये लेवल्स मिलेंगे, तो पहले हॉलिडे का इंतजाम करिए, शेयर्स पे इन्वेस्ट किया है तो थोड़ा एंजॉय भी करिए, सो बुक द प्रॉफिट।
Okay, and Narendra, if I could get a fundamental view on Zomato. And he has bought 78 shares of Tata Motors at 944. So he's asking whether he should book loss or he should hold it. So Tata Motors has declined nearly 40% from all-time highs, and it is also dragging the Nifty Auto Index. So Ravi, I will come to you on this. How do you gauge Tata Motors' performance? Should the investor book loss for short term or stay invested?
See, the pain is over about to 680 levels, so I'll suggest at this point of time कि you should wait your position and buy more around to 720 or 680 levels. Don't cut your position because stock is now accumulating at support level. You may see again the target of 880 to 900 levels, but it will take time, about to 3 months or 6 months. So better you just hold your position and do some average.
Okay, so with that, we'll have to slip into a short break. Viewers, keep sending in your queries on WhatsApp and call in. We'll be right back for Ask Profit. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit. Welcome back, and thank you very much for staying with us on Ask Profit. We are continuing, of course, to take your calls live, and to answer all your questions, we are joined by Narendra Solanki, the Head of Fundamental Research Investment Services, Anand Rathi Shares and Stockbrokers. Joining us in on the fundamentals, and Dr. Ravi Singh, SVP Retail Research, Religare Broking, is also with us. Let's go straight off to a caller. Chidambaram is calling us. Chidambar, I beg your pardon, is calling us from Karnataka. Hi, Chidambar. Tell us what you'd like to know.
Hi, good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Madam, I have around 10,000 shares of Vodafone Idea. So I have bought around rupees 13 rupees 50 paisa. Now it's running at 7.5 rupees, madam. I mean, shall I keep it for long term, or what should I do, madam?
Okay, so you bought it at 1350. Ravi, would you like to take this one? Vodafone Idea, not in such great position right now.
Yeah, you are rightly said that. If I'll say take exit, so I don't think so. He will manage accordingly. But point is that idea this point of time, I think there is a very in downward territory, and you may see the level of 5 rupees again. So my suggestion is don't invest in this type of stocks and this stock. You just try to exit at this level.
All right. We're also getting one more caller from Bengaluru. Hi, Soumya.
Hello.
Hi, Soumya. Please go ahead with your query.
Yeah, I am.
Soumya?
Yeah, you can hear me?
Yes, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I have around 100 stock of HAL, and when I bought it, it was around 4,936.
All right.
Currently, the price is around 4,229. So I just want to understand, the stock is quite volatile. I want to know if I have to buy, or I could average this, or I should look at selling.
Soumya, when did you buy them?
I think I bought it and I sold it. I think 2 months back I bought it again.
Okay. So, Soumya, Ravi, I'd like to come to you on this. Hindustan Aeronautics is emerging as a top defense sector stock. So what is your take on it?
Clearly is in downtrend, but I can say that we are expecting some subsidy or some more upside with the expectation of budget. So I can say that there is a downside channel is limited, and you may again, if you want to invest, then you may wait for the 4,100 to 4,000 level, and you just at that point of time put the stop loss of 3,900 level, and you may see again 47 or 4,600 to 4,700 level. So better you do some averaging at this point of this level, and wait for the 47 or 48 levels. Once achieve the 47 or 48 level, then you just ask the profit and ask again.
Thank you for promoting our show. Okay, let's go across to Chandan joining in from New Delhi. Hi, Chandan. Our short-term view of nearly about 3 months. Prakash Industries.
Ma'am, I don't love stock, but I love profit. So simple strategy, you just take exit at current level and buy at sale at this at current level. Sale is trading around 117. That stock is more future, and you may see upside potential about to 20%.
Okay, now a quick reminder for our viewers. Please don't forget to call us on the numbers on your screen. You can also reach out to us on WhatsApp. Both the numbers are flashing on your screens right now. Now we are getting a caller from Hyderabad. Hi, Vijay.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening. Please go ahead with your query.
I have 13 lakhs rupees in my hand, hard cash, madam.
Okay.
I want to invest this amount short-term view.
All
I
right.
want to 50% in the tech shares, 50% in pharma shares, madam.
Okay.
Tech shares, HCL Tech and Emphasis, which is the best one in technology shares? Sun Pharma and Cipla, which is the best one in pharma shares.
Vijay, I'm afraid that we can only be taking one query. So I'll take HCL Tech or Emphasis. I'll get a view on that.
I want to invest in that one. 50% I want to invest in pharma stocks also. 6.5 lakhs from that one, 6.5 lakhs from this one, madam.
All right. So Ravi, I'd come directly to you on this. He has a corpus of 30 lakh rupees. He wants to invest half of it in pharma and half of it in tech. And he's asking whether he should buy HCL Tech or Emphasis. So what is your take on it?
So I suggest, ma'am, you just divide in a 4-way, 30 lakh rupees. Put your investment in HCL is 25% and 25% in Emphasis, and remain you should invest in pharma sector, Cipla and Sun Pharma. Both stocks have a potential to give return around to 20 to 25% from the current level. So you can invest, you can add your basket all 4 stocks.
And is that a view that you also subscribe to, Narendra? Hi, Kamath, can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Yes, please go ahead with what you'd like to know.
Madam, I have 2000 Make Money Organics at the rate of 105, and it has, from that level, it has fallen down to close to around 75 rupees or so. I wanted to buy more. Can I buy more, madam?
So you want to average it out, yeah. Let's take this one to Ravi quickly. Ravi, Make Money is the stock that he's looking at.
Yeah, you can do everything, but be precise that your average should be at least 20-25% at current level, and for prepare again for the 70 levels. When it touches the 70 level, you may see a very strong support, and again you can see is 95 to 90 level. Then you take a exit at that point of time.
All right. We are also getting one more caller from Himachal Pradesh. Hi, P.S. Pathania.
Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How's the weather there?
Very pleasant. Very cool. Cool.
Very cool. Okay. So please go ahead with your query.
I'm having 1,000 shares of EIH.
Okay. On the charts.
Yeah, chart is looking positive, and you may see the level of 460 to 480 levels. But I can say that Himachal or hotel industry is growing, so that's why you are buying that in this stock. So book the profit around 480 levels.
Okay, let's go across to another caller, Srinivas, calling in from Hyderabad. Hi, Srinivas.
Hi, good evening to the team.
Yes, please tell us what we can help you with.
Yeah, I'm holding Shaili Engineering Plastics, almost 325 shares at 1221 rupees average. So now the price is around at 1500. Can I book you profit, partial profit, or can I hold for some more time, around 3 to 6 months? What is the futuristic view on this?
So you bought it at around 1220 rupees?
Yes.
Okay. And you're looking for a long-term view, or you would like to hear hold the stock for a little more longer?
Short-term and long-term. For 3 to 6 months is a short-term, and long-term 2 to 3 years.
Well, the stock's been performing really well, and let me go across to Ravi first. Ravi, Shaili Engineering. He bought it at 1220 rupees. The stock currently, I think, is at 1500. What's your sense?
Chart is looking attractive, but I can say that now the New Year time, and you just enjoy the holiday. So book the profit. That is the good strategy. And if you want to invest again, wait for the 1200 levels. You may see 1200 levels in next 1 month. Some profit booking you can see at this point, this level. So better you just book at current market price.
जो हाथ में आ गया वो लेके निकलो. That seems to be the view you are giving us, Ravi. Narendra, is that something that you also like? Hi, Mahesh.
Hi, ma'am. Are you listening to me?
Yes, you're audible. Please go ahead with your query.
Okay, so I'm having about 1,000 shares for IndusInd Bank.
All right.
So in the short-term view and long-term view, what will be the take on? I have purchased that at 1300 rupees.
All right. And why did you go for IndusInd Bank, if I may ask?
Ma'am, because profitability, and at that time it was I think not to go for top, but go for in between. So I chosen the IndusInd Bank.
All right. So Ravi, I'd like to come to you on this. How is IndusInd Bank looking on the charts? Because the stock has been not performing that well.
Yeah, ma'am, you are rightly said that the stock is continuous in a downward channel and downward trajectory, and you may see 900 around 850 to 800 levels. Better you just take exit, and always once you buy, put the stop loss at least, and whatever you target, 25% at least. Whatever you have made a target to achieve and book the profit, that 25% is your stop loss at put that point of time, because now stock is major in downtrend. Better you just take exit and switch with the Bank of Baroda, and Bank of Baroda is trading 240 to 250 levels. You may buy more stocks and do some fruitful investment. So better you take exit for IndusInd Bank and buy Bank of Baroda.
All right, before we go to our next caller, Narendra, do you have Deepak on the phone line? Hi, Deepak.
Hi, hello.
Yes, please tell us.
So actually I am on have a query that I am having a share of Adani Ports, and I'm holding it since it's like only I've got two, but I just wanted to, it is at I bought it around 1532 and now currently it is trading at 1243. So I was having query whether I should buy more or what should I hold it.
All right, let's take your question to the experts who are with us right now. Would you like to take this one, Ravi? Adani Ports?
Yeah, definitely. Earlier I told you that Adani Power, Adani Wilmar and Adani Port are in more volatile stocks, but they have a confidence to give positive return to investor. And right now it's trading 1243 levels. You buy at 1500 levels, but don't panic. You just add at 1150 to 1200 level, put the stop loss of 1000 rupees. You may see again 15 to 1600 level, but it will take time. Next 3 months you get that level, so you just book the profit that point of time.
Viewer discretion. NDTV is a subsidiary of AMG Media Networks Limited. It is an Adani Group company.
Now we are getting a caller from Hyderabad. Hi, Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Actually, yeah, I am holding 70 shares of Graphite India, bought at a price of 662 nearly 3 years ago.
Okay.
But the stock has not given me any returns for last 3 years.
Yes.
So I just want to understand the short-term and long-term outlook.
All right. Firstly, I'd like to say that it's a
Whether
very.
I should hold it or sell it.
Okay. Your name is very interesting. But Ravi, coming to you on this, Graphite India has not been performing that well. Even this last 6 months performance has not been that great. So what do you recommend to our investor?
See, from higher level, we may see more correction, but yeah, 520 or 530 level is a strong support level. So I can say that put the stop loss of 530 and 520 levels. If closing below that level, then you should take exit. Otherwise, just hold and wait for the level of 580 to 600. And again, I can say that once achieve the level of 580 or 600 level, you just ask the profit again.
All right, let's take up some WhatsApp queries very quickly before we run out of time on the show. First one coming in from Bengaluru. Anil is asking us for a 1-year outlook on shares at 4 rupees a piece. He wants to know, should he exit? Of course, this is a penny stock. We'd like to just tell our viewers we don't really focus on penny stocks. But nevertheless, now that you've written in to us, let's get Ravi to answer this one quickly.
Ma'am, I can say that don't become a promoter or be a investor, so do exit. This is my point, my view. But don't invest. Yeah, you are rightly said that. Don't invest this type of stock.
Right. We're also getting one more caller from Chennai. Hi, Rao.
Yeah, hi, madam.
Please go ahead with your query.
Yeah, I have a query regarding Lokesh machine.
Okay.
I'm holding 100 share at 345.
All right.
And I can see that operating profit is also an uptrend, and the company is having an order book of 400 crores. And
right.
it is in the different sector, considering it is a boom sector. I want to just know the views, like if within 1 year or 2 year horizon.
All right. So you've done a fair share of research there. Ravi, how is Lokesh machine looking on the charts right now?
Yeah, it's consolidating. That's why we may see some profit booking. But yeah, stock is good. Fundamental is rightly said that. So my point is that on technical front, you can just add on at 315 to 310 level with the stop loss of 300, and next target would be again 350 levels. So put this strategy and make more profit.
Okay, quickly to another WhatsApp query. Sai has written to us from Bengaluru. The stock that he wants to know about is Uno Minda. 100 shares at 1,080 is what he bought it at. He's in loss currently. Let's.
At 482. What is the start term?
Subramaniam, I'm afraid you're not audible. Could you just repeat once again?
I have Power Finance Corporation at 300 shares at rate of 487.
All right.
It is short-term outlook, madam.
Okay, short-term outlook. Ravi, if you could take that one, please.
Yeah, PFC is in a strong hand, and there is a strong upside movement we may see in next couple of months. So you just hold your position for the target of 520 to 530 levels, but put the stop loss around 440 levels. So stock is in the upward channel, so you just hold your position.
All right. Now let's take a WhatsApp aid. We are running completely out of time, but both of you, thank you very much for taking out the time to advise our viewers who've been joining in this evening. Well, that's all we have time for.
Viewers, that's all the time we had on this Ask Profit today, but please keep sending in your queries, as we will surely take them in our next show. Till then, keep watching NDTV Profit.